Razan and Harmeen, please, both of you put on your camera.
Yes.
Okay, so in the last class, we were doing simple equations and we have completed most of the part of the chapter. We just have to do with the applications of simple equations. Okay, Razan, you missed yesterday's class. Did you watch the recording of the class?
No, ma'am. No, but
It is important that you watch the recording of the previous session, whatever you are missing, so that you don't lag behind. Because then you shall be lagging behind in the next classes. We completed one more topic. You can watch the recording after this session, but please positively do that. So now we shall be doing applications of simple equations. Okay, at this also I started yesterday only, but I'll just give you a short review from this topic so that you can understand better.
I know
Okay.
this topic.
Okay. Um, let's revise then. So in applications of simple equations, we shall be given situations and then we'll have to find the number, okay, the variable. Like for example, this question says the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32, find the number. So you just have to first of all form an equation. So 3 times a number. 3 times a number means 3x and 11. So 3x and 11 is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. So the equation becomes 3x plus 11 is 32, right? And then you can solve it. You can solve it by either of the method. Either you can use the transposon method, or yesterday I taught one more method. But
Add and subtract on both sides.
yeah, subtraction on both sides. See, Razan, look carefully. One of the method is transposing, which I have used here. Transposing means to transfer the numbers from one side to the other side. For example, you have to transfer 11 first of all. You have to remove 11. So how will you remove 11? You will transpose it to the right hand side, right? You will just move it to the right hand side. This is how you will solve. But now, let us consider that you have to, you don't have to use the transposing method, and I say use any other method. So what you will do, see, first of all, you have to remove 11, right? So what you will do, you will write the equation as it is. See, 11 is being added to 3x. So now just subtract 11. Okay. So, and if you have subtracted 11 on one side, you have to subtract it from the other side as well, right?
Yes.
So now 11 and 11 will be cancelled. 3x will be equal to, what is 32 minus 11? It is 21. Now you have to remove 3. How will you remove 3? You will not transpose. See, 3 is being multiplied with x. So what you will do, now you will divide also. And if you have divided on one side, then you have to divide on the other side as well. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So x will be equal to this 3 and 21 cancel and become 7. So x is equal to 7. Clear?
Yes.
This is the other method. I'll solve one more question like this. Like we have to find the number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. So you have been given a variable and it is given that 1/4 of the variable is 3 more than 7. What does 3 more than 7 means? That x by, let us consider the variable is x. So x by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, this is my equation. Now, how will you solve the equation? One method is the transposing method that you already know. We've already studied. But now I'll be talking about the other method. Okay, so x by 4 minus 7 gives me 3. Right? What you will do? Okay, what is happening to 7? What's happening to 7? 7 is being subtracted, right?
Yes.
So what you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
add 7 here, right? Plus 7. And if you have written plus 7 over here, then what you will do, you will write plus 7 over here as well, right? See, now 7 and 7 is cancelled because plus 7 and minus 7 is 0. So here it is x by 4 equal to 10. Now you have to remove 4. How will you remove 4? Razan, you tell me.
3 to 10 into 4 equals 40.
What are you saying?
You have to divide 10 by 4. No,
Uh,
multiply.
you have, see, 4 is being divided. So multiply 4 over here, and if you're multiplying over here, then you also have to multiply over here. 4 and 4 will be cancelled, so x will be equal to 40. Do you understand the other method?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now I shall be giving you a few practice questions, both of you, and then we'll be
Yes,
done
sir.
with the chapter. Okay, Razan, you haven't submitted any of the assignments that I uploaded.
Yeah, ma'am, I did one assignment, but I forgot to send.
It is important that you submit the assignments as soon as the class ends, okay? Like before the next class, you have to submit the assignment. Okay, now you have to set up equations and answer, okay? So like the first one is add 4 to 8 times.
You have to write the question also.
What are you saying?
You have to write the question also.
Oh, no, it's not important to write the question. The question is already there in your book. You get 60. Solve this. Find x. Find the number.
Ma'am, I found it.
Yes, what's your
Ma'am,
answer?
7. 7.
Her means is also 7. So add 4 to 8 times a number. So 4 plus 8x gives you 60. So you can use any of the method. I'm using the transposing method. You will get 56 and then it will be 7. Very nice. 7 is the correct answer. Now come to the second question. The question says 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3.
Finished.
Done? What's the answer?
35.
Okay, her Razan is getting 35. What about you, Hermine?
No, ma'am, I did not complete it still now.
No problem, do it.
No.
Yes, ma'am. 35.
35, both of you. Okay, let's check. So 1/5 of a number. So let's consider m by 5 minus 4 will give you 3. Okay, so m by 5 will be equal to 3 plus 4 should be equal to 7. So m will be equal to 35. Very easy. Now we come to the C part. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. Do this.
Ma'am, finished.
What are you saying?
I finished the C1.
Just a second. Let me write the D1 as well. Then we'll discuss both of them together.
Ma'am, and the D question is it 3?
What are you saying, Razan?
Can you read the D question?
Please say again. Say a little loudly.
Can you read the D question?
The D question. Let me write first. Just give me a second. Let me write first at least. Okay. So first we'll discuss the C1. What is the C1? What are you getting, Harmeen? Harmeen, what is your answer for C part? Harmeen, put on the mic.
X is equal to 72.
Okay, 72. So if I take 3/4 of a number, okay, Razan, what is your answer?
72 too.
Okay, 3/4 of a number. So 3/4 of a number is m by 3 m by 4 and add 3 to it, I get 21. So we'll do 3m by 4 will be equal to 18 and then m will be equal to 18 into 4 by 3. It's 24. How come you guys are getting 72? What is the equation you both formed?
3 by
Ma'am,
4x plus 3 equals 21.
Speak little loudly, Razan.
3 by 4x plus 3 equals 21.
Yeah, so this is only the equation that you're forming, but how are you getting 72? First, you will subtract 3 from 21. You will have 3x by 4 will give you 18. And then you will do x will equal to 3x is equal to 18 into 4. What is 18 into 4? 72. Then what is x? 72 by 3. You didn't divide by 3. Now you have the D part. When I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15.
Finished.
Okay, what's the answer?
13.
Okay, Harmeen, yours?
Ma'am, I'm not done. When
Okay.
I
Wait.
Yes, ma'am. 13.
Okay, so we have when I subtract 11 from twice a number. So twice a number means 2x minus 11. The result is 15. Okay, so 2x is equals to 15 plus 11. You will have 2x is equals to 26. Then x is equals to 13. Okay, now we move
Yes.
ahead. We have Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. Find the results to be 8. Find this. Ibn Hal thinks, listen to the next question as well. Ibn Hal thinks of a number if she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Okay, so you have two questions with you. Please do them. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. Please do the questions by the time.
Okay.
Have you guys solved?
No.
No, no. Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. So first we have Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. So 50 minus thrice the number of notebooks will be 3x and he gets 8. Is this your equation, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How will we solve it? We will have minus 3x will be left here. We will have 8 minus 50. So here we will get 3x is equals to minus 42. Minus and minus will become plus. Then x will be equal to 42 by 3. So 3, 14. Are you getting 14?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. This we don't do here directly by 50 is equal to 8 plus 3x like that.
Okay. You were trying to say we will do like this.
Yeah.
P will be equal to 8 plus 3x. Okay, then again, you will have to change this 8 and bring it here.
Yeah.
50 minus 8 you will do. So thing remains same. You'll get 42 equal to 3x. Here also I'm getting, you can do any of the way, both of the ways are correct. You
Okay.
can do like this as well.
Okay.
Okay. Now we move ahead. We have, if in Hal thinks of Ibn Hal thinks if she adds 19 to it and divides this. So first of all, she has a number. So let the number be x. Then she's adding 19 to it. And then divides the sum by 5. So then she has to divide it by 5 and then she's getting 8. So is this the equation? Are you getting the same equation?
Yeah.
Very good. So we will have x plus 19 will give me this 5 will go there and it shall become 8 into 5. Okay. So it shall become x plus 19 equals to 40. So x equals to 40 minus 19. Okay. 21.
21.
Got it? Both of you are getting the same answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we move ahead to the next question. Anwar thinks of a number if he takes away find the answer to this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, tell me your answer.
Uh, uh, G question. Y is equal to 12.
If he takes away 7, okay, you're getting y is equals to 12. And Razan, you?
Same.
Okay. So Anwar is having a number and it's written if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So what will 5 by 2 of the number be? 5 by 2x. Okay, you guys took y. So let's take y. Okay. Minus 7 will give me 23. So 5y by 2 will give me 30. Then 5y will give me 60. and then y will give me 12. Okay, correct. Now we come to the next question. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained Okay, so it is given the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. So what is the lowest score? Can you do this?
Yes,
Do it.
ma'am. The teacher tells. Done, ma'am.
Okay, Razan, you?
L is equal to
Okay, her mind is getting L is equals to.
40.
Okay, Razan, you?
40.
Same only. Okay, so it's given the teacher tells the class that the highest, let's consider the lowest marks is L. Okay, you took L. So the highest marks is twice the lowest marks. So twice the lowest marks will be 2L plus 7. Plus 7 is the highest score, and highest score is 87. So now 2L will be equal to 80 and then L will be equal to 40. Correct? Good. Now we have next. In an isosceles triangle, do you know what an isosceles triangle is?
Two sides of are equal than the third side.
Okay, very good. Base angles are equal. The vertex angle is given 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, see, so base angles are equal and vertex like this, consider that this is the triangle. Okay, so this is one angle, this is other angle, and this is the vertex angle. A, B, C. If this and this sides are equal, then this and this will be equal, B and C will be equal. And it is given that they are equal also. So if this is X, then this is also X. And A, this vertex angle is given to you 40 degree. Now you have to find these two angles. What is the angle sum property? What is the angle sum property of triangle?
Uh, three, the sum of three sides of a triangle.
Is equal to 180. So just use that property and find the answer.
Ma'am, finished.
What are you getting?
20.
20. And Harveen, you?
I'm not done yet.
No problem. Let Harveen also do.
Please sample 60 triangle. What am I sample? The sum is
Have you done?
no, ma'am.
What happened, Harveen? Are you not able to do?
Yes, ma'am. Like I cannot understand this 180 means it's used for isosceles also. Like
Okay.
180
Look
degrees
here.
used for
What we
equal.
have to do is, we have been given one of the angle is 40 degree and the other two are x and x. So we have to find this x angle. So what we can do it, we can use the angle sum property. The angle sum property says that sum of all the angles is equal to 180. So we will do 40 plus x is equal to 180. Okay. Then 40 plus 2x is equals to 180. 2x is equals to 140 and x is equals to 70 degree.
Oh,
Understood?
yeah, ma'am.
Now we come to the next one. We have Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short See, you have been given that Sachin is scoring twice as many runs as Rahul, and together their runs fell too short of a double century. What does a century mean? What is the meaning of century?
Uh, like
Century means
century
100.
is for 100 years.
Okay, century means 100. So what does a double century mean?
Uh,
200.
2x. 200.
Okay, so how many runs did each one score? So Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So let us consider that Rahul scored X runs. Then Sachin scored twice as runs as Rahul, that means 2x, and together. So x plus 2x is 2 less than 200. Okay, because 2 short of double century, that means 200 minus 2. This is the equation. Solve this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it 67?
And Hermine, yours?
Yes, ma'am. I got like 66.
66 and 1 is getting 67. Let's check. So x plus 2x will give you 198. So 3x gives you 198 and x give you 66. So x is equals to 66. That means Rahul scored 66 runs, right?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
Rahul scored 66 runs, then Sachin scored 2x. That means 2 into 66 runs. 132 runs is by Sachin. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
um, we don't have any further questions for this chapter. We have now see, we have completed the chapter simple equations. If you both have any doubts, then you can ask me in the chapter. Please go through the entire chapter and ask me if there are any doubts. Are there any doubts in the chapter?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in that E question. Munna subtracts that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So for why we are rating like 350? Why we are writing like -3 in there? Because like it's 50 minus 3x. Is it -3 or positive 3? Are you subtracting that one?
You are not subtracting that. You have, okay. I mean, if you have confusion like this, no problem. You can do it another way as well. Look here. You can shift 3x to right hand side. Okay, make it like this. Now can you solve?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you can solve it. There's no problem in solving like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Razan, yes.
the assignment.
Yeah.
Question number 3, how to reduce to the lowest form?
Which assignment, Razan?
The max
Read the question. Please read the question.
7 into 3 by 5.
This one? Is this the question?
Yes,
What do you have to do in this?
we have to make it to the lowest form
So
into
no,
mixed
this
fraction.
can't be converted